There is progress to report in the battle against Alzheimer's. While there is still no cure, new testing and new treatments are presenting new options.
It's important to say this is not for people with full-blown Alzheimer's, but for those in the early stages and those at higher risk of getting it. Here's Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Jon LaPook.
Oh my, Marty.
Carla and Marty Miner have traveled the world together, married 44 years.
Look how young you look there.
They recently visited Bhutan.
We have a great time together.
3 years ago, Marty noticed Carla occasionally repeated what she'd already told him.
I didn't know if it was stuff that's happening because we're getting older.
A neurologist diagnosed Carla with Alzheimer's.
It was horrible. You know, I'm not going to have that. I don't want that.
Some patients and physicians have been reluctant to diagnose Alzheimer's because there have been few treatment options.
Are things different now because there finally is a medication that could potentially make a difference?
There's finally a medicine that you can show is different from placebo.
Dr. Sam Gandy, a professor of neurology at Mount Sinai School of Medicine, offered Carla a drug called Leqembi. It's an intravenous infusion of one of 2 drugs approved within the last 3 years to treat the disease. It removes plaques in the brain called amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's.
So the red blobs are where the amyloid is.
Dr. Gandy has done consulting for the company that makes Leqembi. In patients with the early stages of Alzheimer's, studies showed the drug slowed mental decline by about 30% after about 18 months. Both treatments carry FDA black box warnings on the risk of swelling and bleeding in the brain.
Occasionally, there will be some swelling, in some cases to the point maybe of even some bleeding. So we do surveillance MRIs, regardless of whether there are symptoms or not.
How does that feel?
Carla Miner has had 7 infusions over 5 months. It's too soon to tell if the treatment is working, but she's currently independent, enjoying time with her husband, and still able to channel her favorite singer.
I know all the lyrics to a lot of those old rock and roll songs that I used to listen to.
You ain't nothing but a
Hound dog.
All right.
I'm hopeful. I have a wonderful life. We've just been very, very lucky. Hopefully this will be lucky too.
This medication costs tens of thousands of dollars, but in the majority of cases, it looks like it will be covered by insurance.
Finally, some good news there. Dr. Jon LaPook, thanks.